Hello friends, welcome to the new video. Today we are talking about an super important topic which is very important for our health and overall well-being, which is vitamin deficiencies. Trust me, this is a very important and exciting topic as it sounds, and your body will thank me after watching this video. So let's dive in. First things first, what are vitamins? So vitamins are very essential nutrients required for our body to function correctly. Vitamins not only helps our body keeping our skin healthy, boost immune system, but also makes ensure that all the organs in our body are working properly. Think of them as superheroes of your body. But sometimes we might not get enough of these superheroes. That is what we call them as vitamin deficiencies. So, how do we know that we are running off vitamin deficiencies? First, vitamin deficiencies comes with some different symptoms. So let's dive what are the common ones of vitamin deficiency symptoms. So first is vitamin D. Vitamin D symptoms are weakness, fatigue, then bone pain, and also some mood swings. So, vitamin D deficiency can occur if you are not getting enough sunlight, or if you have a diet which is low in vitamin D rich foods like egg yolk, fatty fish, or fortified dairy products. Then next comes is B12 deficiency. B12 deficiency symptoms are weakness, memory loss, then feet anemia and tingling in hands. B12 deficiency is majorly a concern for vegans and vegetarians since it is majorly found in animal products. If you are feeling tired at all the times, it's worth to get a checkup of your B12 levels. Then next is vitamin C. So vitamin C symptoms are excessive bruising, bleeding gums, slow healing wounds, and dry skin. You might heard about pirates and their scurvy. This is what is we called as vitamin C deficiency. It can be completed or it can be acquired from the fruits like strawberries, bell peppers, and oranges as well. So next comes is in our list is vitamin A. Vitamin A deficiency symptoms are night blindness, dry skin, and immune system problems. If you heard about from your mother that carrot is very good for your vision, then she wasn't lying. So vitamin A is very essential for our eyes and overall skin and health related issues. So if you have any eyes related problem or vision related problems, then it is very necessary to have vitamin A and also vitamin A rich related foods. So next in our list is vitamin K. So vitamin K symptoms are excessive bruising, then excessive bleeding and blood clotting problems. So vitamin A is mainly found in green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale. So if you want to get your blood get clot properly, if you get a cut or spare, then try to consume vitamin K as much as possible. So now, as we know that what are the symptoms of vitamin deficiencies, so how do we ensure that we get enough of vitamins in our diet? The first thing is to have a balanced diet with a combination of fruits, vegetables, lean meat, and also some dairy products. And also, if possible, you can also take supplements if you are struggling with the complete diet, but it is necessary to consult with some health professional before taking any supplements. Also, there is one more important tip. It's not about always that what you are not eating, but it is about what your body is not absorbing. You might be having proper diet, proper supplements, but still you may be facing vitamin deficiencies, or you might be having these vitamin related symptoms. So certain conditions like celiac or any other medications you are taking might not allowing your body to absorb proper vitamins. So in this case, it is also necessary to consult with your doctor. Uh, so uh, that's it today for guys. So remember, our body is like an engine. We need it right oil to function it smoothly. So take care of what you are eating, what you are consuming, and also the don't ignore if you have any of these symptoms. So. If you like this video, kindly hit a like, share with your friends, and also comments which vitamin surprise you most often. And also, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe us for such amazing health insights, and also press bell notification so that you get the latest updates. Thanks.